I don't know what you guys are gonna do for dinner tonight, but I'm gonna have me some home-cooked chicken fettuccine Alfredo with broccoli and some garlic bread. And I'm gonna be having it in probably 10 minutes or so. This is day 3 of our 4 meals for 4 people for under $40. In case you've missed it, check out that link right there. This is how I'm working this. I know you're probably looking around the kitchen saying, how are you gonna do that, Brian? There's nothing out there. No, there isn't. And there's nothing up my sleeves. There's nothing under my hat but my hair. I'm gonna have us a nice, healthy meal ready to go for the whole family here, like I said, in about 10 minutes. And I apologize, after watching the video last night, realized I kind of had my back to you the whole time. That was just a simple error. Didn't really think about it prior to. So I'm gonna try to face you tonight. Let's get this going. Actually, I'm gonna make me a cocktail first, and then we'll get this going. Cheers to an easy dinner. Seven o'clock exactly. Let's see how well we do. Dinner's ready.
I'm not.
7:17. I've had the time to enjoy a cocktail while this is going. So, again, it's here to help you. I hope you take it as that. I'm being silly when I come off arrogant like that, but you know, it was simple. It's very simple. I actually had a cocktail and was able to refill, sit back and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. Click the little notification bell, like, that means thumbs up, and share it with all your friends. Share it around. You could help somebody out. That's what I'm here for, to help you out. Have a good evening. We added bacon to it too.